Let's take a look at division involving 0. Provided A is not equal to 0, if we have the arrangement of that number in the denominator and 0 in the numerator, we end up with 0. As an example, if we had 0 divided by 2 or any non-zero number, we would end up with an answer of 0. If we have the reciprocal arrangement where we have a number divided by 0, in the math world, this is called undefined. And an example of that would be if we had 2 divided by 0, it's not possible. And to illustrate that, if we take 2 divided by 0 and set up our long division, we would ask what times 0 equals 2. Well, it's not 0. 0 times 0 is 0. It's certainly not 2, because anything times 0 is 0. There isn't a number. And so in the math world, we call this undefined. And just to illustrate that, I have a Texas Instrument Model 30XA, and I'll illustrate a division by 0. I'm going to enter 4 divided by 0 and show what the display for this particular calculator is an error message telling us that there's definitely a problem here. In a different Texas Instrument model, this one is a TI-30XIIS. If I do the same division, a number, say 4 again, divided by 0, and I tap the enter, we have a division by 0 error, which makes my math heart very pleased that it is telling us what the problem is with the correct verbiage. You'll also see a division by 0 error message on Microsoft Excel in the event that you have, in fact, a division by 0.